3 minuto at 25 segundo na nitirang oras. Nasa na pang free throw by Frank de la Cruz. Basketball count. Nasa na pang free throw basket 20 against 16. 4 na puntos ang kasalukuyang kalamangan. Patuloy pa rin po tayo nasa ikalawang yugto mga kaibigan ng ating bakbakan. In this basketball game, once again was brought to us by Espinita Lacanila 20 against 16. And the loose ball last touch was gonna be Colon. Laban po sa mga Ticolores. Ball position mananatili 14 na unang maba. 3 minutes remaining time for the second quarter. Ay tama na bola Tommy, number 44 on flight. Jumper for 2 points. Basketball count. At may kasapang foul. In foul against wearing jersey number 11. Cardinal number 11 committed a foul and the first team foul. 2018, 2 puntos ang mabante ng mga player ng Mamba para unang Mamba. Tayo, 19 against 20, 1 point lead by Team Unang Mamba. 20 against 19, score 2 minutes and 51 seconds to go. That's the remaining time. 2 minuto at 51 segundos sa natitirang oras para sa ating second quarter. 2 minutes and 51, score po natin. We have 19 against 20, 1 point lead. Isang puntos ang pamumuno pa rin ang unang Mamba laban sa team na puro 4. At unti-unti na nga pong bibigyan ang ating bakbakan. Next game po natin mga kaibigan. Kung yung pong kakalimutan natin na next game, ang team na Rizal Races makakarap ang team ng Tropang Snapshot. For 4th game, day to day. Para naman po yun sa ating Bantam Division. 2 minutes and 37 seconds to go. Magandang labanan, magandang bakbakan. Dito lamang po yung natutuhayan sa ating pong barangay Magbalot. Bayan ng Brooks Point, the one and only beautiful Brooks Point. The coconut capital ng ating pong lalagyan at Palawan at Pride of the South. 2 minutes and 20. Short shot there for team ng Puro 4. May tahan na bola. Ito ang Toyota Frank de la Cruz, the MVP. He lost that letter. Unti-unting dumarating yung mga bisita po natin mga vloggers ngayong gabi. Balik na naman sa kanilang trabaho. 20 against 19, 1 point lead. Speaking of balik trabaho, 2 puntos sa kabante na ibibigay muli. 2 points pocket by Frank de la Cruz and foul against number 14. We're using number 14, 2 personal fouls and 13 foul. Last na pang free throw, 1 go, 2 minutes and 5. Perimeter shot. Ginamitan mga kaibigan ng bandahan, lugar by Frank de la Cruz. Samantala, kagawa ng buko ng mamadali. At tumusan ng front court. As word jersey number 6, may tahan ng bola. Number 6, may tahan ng bola. Isip pocket. Ganda naman ang pagkakanakaw ng play na yun. 22 against 21. 1 point na naman po yung kalamangan. This basketball game once again was brought to us by my sponsor, ang Asyaw Sublimation for my lapel. Thank you so much sa aking mga kaibigang Asyaw Sublimation. De la Cruz Frank number 52, hinaharas ng 2 defender hanggang sa sabi ditong numero 44. Number 44, 2 personal fouls and warning for penalty. 14 seconds on the shot clock. De la Cruz number 27, record countdown number 37, good. And power put back, good for 2 points by Junior. At may anak pa na foul in foul against number 17. That's a jumper, bang, 3 points! In the 3 points play, 26 against 24 score. Lamang ng 2 puntos na lamang yung unang mga laban sa team na mga taga-Puro 4. Gawa ng buko, hindi ka naman sa team na Puro 4. 45 seconds remaining time. 28 against 24 score. 4 puntos sa mabante. Grabe yung vibration for team 4. Puro 1 basketball, 44 seconds to go. 44 segundos sa natitirang oras. Frank de la Cruz, lulusog na naman. Ibaliwala yung mga black box ng ating panalunan sa ating mga malalaro. Tuloy-tuloy po umiinit at nanginginit for the second quarter ng ating bakbakan. 30 seconds to go. 14 seconds on the shot clock with 13 seconds on the shot clock. Meron na lang ang 27 seconds na natitirang oras for the second quarter. Exchange basket, third quarter of the game. This third quarter on the wheel was brought to us by the Estimita Lacanila. Outside jumper from De La Cruz. Bang, 3 points! 83 points play by Frank De La Cruz was brought to us. May unang punong barangay ng ating barangay Magbalot, Rodora. Racimo, number 23, may tahan ng bola. Wala sa batang kanan na traffic siya. Binigyan naman kay Tommy. Si Tommy na yung gagalaw at atake. Tommy, basketball count. Nakamaniobra ng napakaganda. Good for 2 points by Tommy. Running score now, 25-28. 7 puntos. Alanganin 7 puntos sa kalangan ng unang mamba. Outside jumper from De La Cruz for 3 points. Tatluhan, 2 beses na magkasunod mga kaibigan. Yung mga banat na ginagawa nitong Frank De La Cruz para sa ating pong third period basketball. 38 against 26. Lamang na po at 28-38 score. Lamang na po ng 2 teacher. Foul against Jordan jersey number 52, illegal contact. Frank De La Cruz number 52, first personal foul and the first team foul. First free throw by number 6, Goodrowan. Pumasok ang unang tira mga kaibigan nitong bata nitong mamang numero 6. Naglaro 14 na por 4. Last in a final free throw by number 6, good for 2 points. The perfect shot from the free throw line. Hatid po yan sa atin ang ating kontrabol kagawad IPMR, kontrabol Junito Lagat at ang ating kontrabol kagawad Samuel Yayen. 4 na minuto at 51 saglit. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Basketball count 32-38. Baba na lamang ng 6. Nasa 6 na lang na puntos mga kaibigan dahil nakabagsak na naman yung 2 puntos. Itong Asandi, that's why bababa ng 6. Frank De La Cruz, itatayo sa 9. Frank De La Cruz, bang, 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 3 points! Another 9 points ang abante ng mga taga-ulo mamba. Scoop shot, bingo! Simpleng puhol, pabalo na tira, pero bawas ng buhol. 41-34, lamang na lamang puhuli ng ito. Ang mga taga-ulo laban sa tropa ng 4. Cuts and shoot, galing naman noon. Silky smooth play, basketball count by Asandi. And the 2 points pocket by Asandi is brought was the Pagkakaw Tony De La Cruz at ng ating Pagkakaw at Samson Valeros. Outside jumper, it's good for 3 points. And that downtown play correct for 3. At po sa atin ang ating po mga barangay talot nitong barangay Magbao. 3 minutes and 17, 44-36, 8 puntos ang nilalamang na. Pero may 3-point shot din gagawin. Bang! 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 3 points, Tommy! And the 3 points play by Tommy was brought to us by Boss Walid Tapusan. Countdown number 27, Directing Traffic. Nakatraffic evaluation itong countdown for jersey number 27. 2 minutes and 50 seconds to go. Inside jumper, 2 ball, sa ball, basketball foul by Tommy at may kasama pang foul. Foul against number 17. Junior jersey number 17, 2 personal fouls and 30 foul. Jumper for 2-pointer, kaboom! Basketball count at may kasama pang foul. And foul against Jordan jersey number 11. Right now, Jordan jersey number 11, called for pushing foul and 30 foul. Balik na sa ating pagpapang mga kaibigan, this is the last in the final quarter kung saan yung ating third quarter, pinamunuan ng 2 puntos na pasahero lamang yung kalamangan na mga taga-unang mamba kontra dito sa mga player na Di Colores, which is sila po may nakakaharap ng mga unang mamba ang mga taga-puro 4. In seconds to go, Frank De La Cruz for jersey number 52 to advance in the final free throw basket. Pasok mga kaibigan, tira ng Frank De La Cruz mula sa ating libreng linya. 1 minute and 10 seconds ang natitirang oras. Shot clock down to 15. 1 minute and 4 outside jumper. 3 points! Frank De La Cruz wearing jersey number 52 sending to the line. Hello, free throws for Frank De La Cruz. The first free throw, good for 1. 70-67, lamang po ng 3 puntos mga kaibigan ang ulo mamba. Aling na saglit yung natitirang oras for this last in the final quarter. Last in the final free throw by Frank De La Cruz. Good for 2 points. Last 6, 5, 4. And that's the final buzzer. The game was over. Final score 71-67. One and congratulations.